Welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 81. If I can spare the necessary time, I shall go to the head office tomorrow. Full stop. I shall do my best to induce the authorities to raise the rate at which we are to insure Messrs. Morris and Moore's 4 bales of rags. Full stop. The rate should be higher, because of the risk of fire and damage to the rest of the cargo. Full stop. I shall be sorry to receive a refusal, as the business is scarcely worth the worry and risk unless we secure a fair rate. Full stop. We have had numerous instances of loss on similar policies in the past. Full stop. I think we should have a due sense of the grave loss and injury which may follow a refusal to raise the rates on these risky packages. Full stop. Everyone knows how easily oily rags take fire. Full stop.